is Manuel, and everyone know what mixed nuts really mean? A decidedly non-mix comes with a layer of small peanuts and cashews in the bottom and the massive nut and brassy nuts on the top. This spontaneous classification of appetizer is due to the peculiarities of fluid dynamics and has the name of the effect of Brazil nut. In this video, we will see the effect is given with different solids, with their size and the quantity or shape. For the experiments, are going to use sand, steel bulbs, chickpeas, and cereals. Next, the first part of the experiment is...
So now we are going to do an example of how works the chickpeas, the Brazilian nut effect in a package. So we are going to use chickpeas and some cereal. So what we are going to do is to make a mixture of chickpeas and cereal. So we are going to give them a little bit like 2 or 3 layers to be as easy as possible. Okay, that's enough. So now we are going, as you can see, we have 3 layers. Well, one we will expect is that when we shake it, the cereal and the chickpeas will be mixed one to each other. But we are going to see is that when I shake it up and down, you are going to see that the 3 layers are going to be stable over the time. So now, as you can see, the 3 layers are still the same, but what is happening is that the chickpeas are going down. That's because they are a little bit smaller than the cereal. So as they are smaller, they are going on the bottom part of the mixture. Where, as you can see, so we are going to follow this. You can see that they are going to be going down and down and down with time. So as you can see, there is generating the 2 different layers. Yeah, it's not a mixture, but it's 2 different separated layers. You can see it better here. You can see that it's the chickpeas on top, the chickpeas bottom, in this case, and the cereal is on top. As we keep shaking it, the chickpeas keep falling and the cereal is keep raising down upwards. So at the end, we are going to have 2 layers to separate from the chickpeas and the cereal. This is going to take a little bit of time, so so it's very difficult, but you can see that there is forming 2 different layers, one of chickpeas and another for cereal, and that will be at the end we will have bottom and top of the 2 different particles.
Hello, I am Paula and I'm going to do a second simple experiment that show you a Brazilian nut effect. The materials that I use are iron spheres, sand, and glass container. The process. First, I put iron spheres into the container. And second, I add the sand into the container, like this. Finally, I hide the container like this. And you can see that the large particles stay at the bottom of the container. Brazilian New If equation is an incredible complex. Grand size is a major factor that causes the effect, but density, friction of the walls, the container shape, and the air pressure between the grains makes a difference. For example, if you use a conical container, you can reverse the direction of the convention rules and drive large particles to the bottom instead to the top. Okay, this is all for today. Thanks for your attention. Bye.